My name is Brittany Davis, and I'm the Operations Manager for the BASF Amnicola Highway Facility in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I love that my job now is so different every day. No 2 days look the same in manufacturing. I love that some days I'm outside, walking around, walking jobs down. Other days I am, more so behind the computer, doing meetings, looking at EHS things, and just kind of planning what the future looks like. Just really trying to work on how do things look in the future and how to make them better. There's always challenges to work with my team to overcome. I found my career in manufacturing through many different opportunities and mentors. From a young age, I looked up to my grandfather, who was a college math professor for 51 years. He did help me make the decision to attend a residential high school in North Carolina that focused on math and science. This is where I first realized that I enjoyed the real-world problem-solving and hands-on experience that careers in engineering can offer. I then went on to pursue a chemical engineering degree and was then truly first introduced to my manufacturing experience through internships. I had an internship with BASF in Research Triangle Park, and then from there I had several rotations within BASF, starting in Freeport, Texas, and then moving to Hannibal, Missouri. So that was when I really experienced my first manufacturing setting. My advice to any woman interested in a career in manufacturing is to seek out STEM programs, internships, job shadows, mentors, and anything else that may be available. You can do it. Your perspective and approach to challenging situations is needed. We should celebrate other women's successes and continuously look for ways to mentor the next generation of women in manufacturing. At BASF, we take pride in having a diverse workforce, so we acknowledge and accept and embrace the fact that everyone has a different perspective. Everyone approaches problems and challenges differently. So specifically, women in manufacturing is a great area of diversity that we can use to help us approach problems and challenges differently. I am so honored to be recognized as a Step Ahead emerging leader. While I'm actively already involved in many STEM programs such as the BASF Tech Academy, I am so excited to learn from other women in manufacturing so that I can be a better mentor for the future generation of women in manufacturing and those that are interested in pursuing STEM career fields.
BASF. We create chemistry.